Hello cybersecurity enthusiasts! Today we're set to explore a potent tool in the world of network scanning, Nmap. Short for Network Mapper, Nmap is a robust and versatile tool that holds a place of pride in the toolkit of cybersecurity professionals and hackers alike. Its primary function? To discover hosts and services on a computer network. This function provides a wealth of information that is invaluable for securing systems and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your cybersecurity journey, Nmap's capabilities are sure to impress. As we delve deeper into our exploration of Nmap, we'll learn how to leverage its power for network scanning and analysis. But remember, it's crucial to always ensure you have proper authorization before scanning any network. Ready to dive into the intricacies of Nmap? Buckle up. Kicking things off, we start with the basic scan. The simplest way to gather information about a target network. With Nmap, you can run a basic scan using just a single command. This command instructs Nmap to scan all hosts within a specified range of IP addresses. Picture this: you're a cybersecurity professional tasked with securing a network. You need an overview of the network's layout, the hosts within it, and the services they offer. This is where the basic scan comes in handy. With its swift execution, the basic scan sweeps across the network, identifying all active hosts. It probes each host to discover open ports and the services they offer. It's akin to knocking on every door in a large building, noting who answers and what they do. But that's not all. Nmap goes a step further. It also attempts to identify the operating system of each host. This piece of information can be invaluable, as different operating systems have different vulnerabilities. This swift reconnaissance mission is executed with a single command. Yes, you heard that right. Just one command, and Nmap will diligently collect and present you with a wealth of information about your target network. However, do note that the results of a basic scan are just that, basic. They offer a quick overview of the network topology, setting the stage for more in-depth investigation. It's akin to having a bird's eye view of a city. You get a sense of the layout, the main streets and landmarks, but the finer details are yet to be discovered. That's where the power of Nmap truly shines. With a range of advanced features, you can dive deeper, probing each host for more detailed information. But we'll save that for the next scene. For now, remember, the basic scan is your first step in network scanning with Nmap. It's your opening gambit, setting the stage for a deep dive into the intricacies of your target network. So, let's gear up and get ready to explore the world of network scanning with Nmap. Moving beyond the basics, let's delve into the advanced features of Nmap, starting with service and version detection. As we continue our journey into the heart of network scanning, we're going to unlock the true potential of this powerful tool. Service and version detection is a feature that allows us to probe deeper into the target hosts. It's like switching on a flashlight in a dark room, revealing the intricate details that were previously invisible. With this feature, we can identify the services running on each port and even determine the version numbers of those services. Think of it as going from seeing mere dots on a map to understanding the full topography. The devil, as they say, is in the details. And these details can make a world of difference when it comes to securing a network or identifying potential vulnerabilities. So, how do we access this feature? It's all about using specific options and flags. For instance, the SV option enables version detection, while the version intensity flag allows us to control the intensity of the scan. When we run a scan with service and version detection, Nmap sends a series of probes to the target hosts, each designed to trigger a response from a specific service. By analyzing these responses, Nmap can identify the service and its version, providing us with valuable insights into the target's configuration and potential vulnerabilities. But remember, this deeper level of scanning requires more time and resources. It's like trading speed for precision. So, while it might not be feasible to use it for every scan, it's an invaluable tool when you need a detailed understanding of a network's security posture. And that's not all. Nmap's service and version detection is highly customizable, allowing you to tweak the scan to suit your specific needs. Whether you want to focus on a particular service or adjust the intensity of the scan, the choice is yours. Service and version detection provide crucial details for understanding a network's security posture and identifying potential vulnerabilities. It's a powerful tool in the arsenal of any cybersecurity professional and a testament to the versatility of Nmap. Adding another feather to Nmap's cap, we have the Nmap scripting engine, or NSE. This feature is like the secret ingredient in your favorite dish, taking an already impressive tool and elevating it to new heights of power and flexibility. The NSE is where Nmap's versatility truly shines. It allows you to extend Nmap's functionality beyond its built-in capabilities. How, you might ask? Well, through the use of scripts. These scripts can be custom written to automate tasks, perform specialized scans, or even exploit vulnerabilities. Imagine you're a cybersecurity professional looking to perform a specific security check on a network. Instead of manually running multiple scans and collating the data, you could write a script to do all this for you, saving valuable time and effort. But the NSE isn't just for automating tasks. It's a playground for innovation and customization. With the NSE, you can tailor your scans to your exact requirements, whether you're looking to gather additional information about a network or perhaps exploit a known vulnerability for ethical hacking purposes. The scripting engine uses a language called Lua, which is relatively easy to learn and highly flexible. This means even if you're new to scripting, you can quickly get up to speed and start writing your own Nmap scripts. There's also a vast repository of scripts developed by the Nmap community. These ready-to-use scripts cover a wide range of functions, from advanced version detection to vulnerability exploitation. So even if you're not a scripting wizard, you can still benefit from the power of the NSE by using these community-contributed scripts. In essence, the Nmap scripting engine is like a toolbox. It's packed with potential, waiting for you to unlock it. Whether you're automating routine tasks, performing in-depth network analysis, or conducting ethical hacking exercises, the NSE can equip you with the tools you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. The Nmap scripting engine offers unprecedented flexibility, allowing you to tailor your scans to your exact needs. Having explored the capabilities of Nmap, it's crucial to remember the importance of using such tools responsibly and ethically. Network scanning is a powerful capability, but like all powerful tools, it should be wielded with care. One must always ensure to have proper authorization before scanning any network, as unauthorized scanning can be considered intrusive and illegal. Let's consider a scenario. You've learned how to use Nmap, and you're eager to put your newfound knowledge to the test. You decide to scan a network that you don't have permission to access. This could lead to serious consequences, from strained relationships to legal repercussions. It's akin to entering someone's home without their consent. It's not only disrespectful, but it's also against the law. Moreover, the information gathered from network scanning should be used ethically. It's one thing to identify vulnerabilities in a system, but it's another thing entirely to exploit these vulnerabilities for malicious intent. Using Nmap to identify security gaps and then work towards addressing these gaps is the responsible way to use this tool. It's also worth noting that ethical use of Nmap extends beyond the act of scanning itself. Once you've gathered information about a network, it's crucial to handle this information with care. This means not sharing sensitive details with unauthorized individuals and not using the information for wrongful purposes. The rule of thumb here is clear. Treat others' network information as you would want your own to be treated. In conclusion, while Nmap is a powerful tool for network scanning and analysis, it's vital to use it responsibly and ethically. Obtaining proper authorization before scanning, using the gathered information to improve network security, and handling this information with care are all essential practices for any cybersecurity enthusiast. Remember, the power of Nmap lies not just in its capabilities, but also in its ethical and responsible use. And there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive introduction to Nmap and its use in network scanning and analysis. We've traversed the journey from understanding the basic scan, getting a quick overview of the network topology, to diving into the advanced features like service and version detection. This level of detail is invaluable for understanding the security posture of a network and identifying potential vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. We also explored the Nmap scripting engine, a powerful feature that allows you to extend Nmap's functionality by writing custom scripts to automate tasks or perform specialized scans. Remember though, the power of Nmap comes with a responsibility. It's a tool for defense, not offense. Always ensure you have proper authorization before scanning any network. For more insights into coding and cybersecurity, visit bp-coding.com. Until next time, happy coding and stay secure.